Welcome back to my channel, guys. So this is part 2 of making a sticker kit with me. So I am just clicking and dragging and dropping the images that I want into these little boxes here. These are their half boxes, and yeah, whatever you want to put in it, basically. You just drag and drop the pictures that you want to use. So I'm just finishing off page 2 at the moment. Then I'm just scrolling up and down, just making sure everything's all cohesive. Then we are moving on to page 3, where again I'm just doing the exact same, and I'm using the same designs, and you'll see that I'm changing them about and stuff. You can make these ones like so it's the full picture. It just takes a little bit more time and it's a little bit more time consuming. So I tend to just kind of leave them all the same, but you can do you. This is just how I do it. So I've nearly completed page 3 as well here. I'm just adding the new designs to these little washi tape areas. And I'm just going on to page 4 now, where I'm changing all the colours again because this row didn't change. So I'm making sure that I have changed the colours on all the stickers, and I'm making sure that they are all the colours that they should be. In with the little icons as well, and I'm changing them the colours that they're supposed to be in the certain rows, just because sometimes they don't change. Sometimes it does and it's brilliant and it goes really plain sailing, and then sometimes you just have to go back and neaten everything up, and that's what I'm doing here. Right, now I'm on the last page and I'm just fixing the colours on these boxes because again I had to change one of the colours because it didn't change. Then I'm going to put some little images in this blank space up here for the new kit. Again, I'm just dragging and dropping some PNGs into this, and we're just placing them out. This is going to be like your decorative little bits that you can put onto your planners and stuff. If you're doing it digitally, you just click on it, cut it out and put it on your planner. If you're printing it out and stuff, then obviously you're just cutting it out by hand. Or if you've got a silhouette machine, then you can also do it like that. But I am not 100% sure on the measurements and stuff, so don't quote me on that one. But I'm just adding some little images here, and this is just going to be your decorative images for your planners. I'm just flicking all the way through all the pages, making sure all the colours are all the same, all the names are all the same, all the sizes are all the same, just double checking everything. And do you know something? I can do this 100 times and still get something wrong. See the amount of times I've spelt something wrong and then I'm like, oh my god, that doesn't even say that. Honestly, it's crazy. But I'm just going through it all, making sure everything's all done, and then what I'm doing is I'm downloading it as a JPEG first, so that I can use it on my Etsy listing. Then I'm downloading all 5 sheets as a PNG, and that is the 5 sheets that you get when you purchase on Etsy. So yeah, that is how I do this part. Once I've done this, it's making the Etsy listings.